Listen to me very carefully. I'm not saying this for effect. I genuinely mean it. If you skip this video, if you don't pay attention, if you treat this like just another random make money online video, then nothing will change for you. 6 months from now, you'll still be in the same place, thinking about money, worrying about money, and wondering why other people seem to be getting ahead while you're stuck. But if you actually sit here, listen to every word, and understand what I'm about to explain, you can completely change the way you make money. You can build something that works for you even when you are sleeping. Yes, literally sleeping. People in the United States are doing this right now, every single day, making $100, $500, even $1,000 or more per month without working every hour for it. And no, this is not some fake get-rich-quick trick. This is about building systems, real systems. Now here's the truth most people don't tell you. Earn money while you sleep does not mean you do nothing. It means you stop trading your time for money. Right now, most people only earn when they work. No work means no money. That's the problem. But smart people, people who understand money, they build systems first. They put in effort once, and then that effort keeps paying them again and again. That is the difference between active income and passive income. Active income is limited. Passive income is scalable. And today, I'm going to show you 3 of the most powerful ways to build that system in 2026. Let's start with the first method. And you need to pay attention here, because this alone can change everything for you. Digital products. This is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to create passive income right now. Why? Because you create something once, and you sell it unlimited times. There is no stock, no shipping, no physical product, just pure profit after the initial work. Imagine this. You create a simple ebook or PDF guide. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to solve a problem. Maybe it's how to make money online for beginners, or how to lose weight at home, or how to learn a skill fast. You create this once using simple tools like Canva. It might take you a few hours or a couple of days. Then you upload it to a platform like Gumroad or your own website. You price it at $10. Now think about this carefully. If just 5 people buy it every day, that's $50 per day. That's $1,500 per month. And you made the product once. This is how people start earning while they sleep. Because while you are offline, your product is still available. People are still buying. Money is still coming in. But here's where most people fail. They overthink. They wait for perfection. They never launch. Don't do that. Start simple. Your first product doesn't need to be amazing. It just needs to be useful. You improve as you go. The faster you start, the faster you learn, and the faster you earn. And remember this, the internet rewards action, not perfection. Now let's move to the second method. And this is where things get even more interesting. AI and content automation. If you ignore this, you are making a huge mistake. Right now, in the USA, one of the biggest trends is using AI to create content and generate income. People are building YouTube channels without showing their face, without recording their own voice, and sometimes without even editing manually. Everything is automated. They use AI tools to generate scripts, AI voices for narration, and stock or AI-generated videos for visuals. Then they upload consistently. One video might not do much, but one video can also go viral. And when it does, it can get 100,000 views, 500,000 views, even millions. And with those views comes ad revenue. Let's break it down. Suppose one of your videos gets 100,000 views. On average, that can generate around $100 to $300, depending on the niche and audience. Now imagine you have 50 or 100 videos on your channel, each one bringing in views every single day. That is a system. You don't need to be present all the time. Your content works for you. Even when you are sleeping, your videos are being watched, ads are being shown, and money is being generated. This is not theory. This is happening right now. And here's how you start. You choose a niche, something like finance, motivation, health, or tech. Then you use AI tools to generate scripts. You turn those scripts into voiceovers using AI voice tools, You combine them with stock footage or simple visuals. Then you upload consistently, one video per day if possible. The key here is consistency and volume. The more content you have, the higher your chances of success. And once the system is in place, it keeps working for you. Now the third method, and this is something beginners can start immediately, is affiliate marketing. This is one of the smartest ways to earn money online, because you don't need your own product. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's simple, but powerful. Let's say you promote a product that pays you $20 per sale. If you make 5 sales per day, that's $100 per day. That's $3,000 per month. And you didn't create the product. You didn't handle customer service. You didn't manage anything. You just connected the beer to the seller. Now you might be thinking, how do I get people to click my link? This is where content comes in again. You create content around the product. You make videos, posts, or short clips explaining the benefits, showing results, or solving problems. You add your affiliate link. People watch your content, trust you, and buy through your link. And the best part, that content stays online. It keeps working. It keeps bringing in clicks and sales even when you are not actively doing anything. But again, there's a mindset shift you need to understand. None of these methods are instant. You are not going to upload one video and make $1,000 overnight. You are not going to create one product and become rich the next day. This is about building assets, digital assets, systems that grow over time. The first few days might feel slow. The first few weeks might feel like nothing is happening. That's where most people quit. And that's exactly why most people never succeed. You cannot think like that. You need to think long term. Every video you upload is an asset. Every product you create is an asset. Every link you share is an asset. These assets stack. They compound. And one day, something clicks. One video goes viral. One product starts selling. One link starts converting. And suddenly, everything changes. So listen carefully again. Don't just watch this video and move on. Take action. Choose one method. Start today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Even if it's small. Even if it's imperfect. Because the only difference between people who earn while they sleep and people who don't is this. One group took action. The other group kept thinking. And I'll leave you with this. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone is sleeping and earning money at the same time. The question is, 6 months from now, will that be you? Or will you still be watching videos like this, wishing you started earlier? Don't miss this opportunity. Start building your system, because once it's built, it doesn't stop. It works for you, day and night, even while you sleep. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed.